In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a meeting with Google Meet, updated for 2025. Whether you're connecting with colleagues or catching up with friends and family, Google Meet has made it incredibly easy to join a virtual meeting. In the next few minutes, we'll walk through each step, ensuring that you can join a meeting confidently and without hassle. To get started, open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or another favorite, and navigate to Google Meet's website. Once you're on the Google Meet landing page, that's where the magic begins. Google Meet is integrated with your Google account, so if you're not signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to use, especially if you have personal and work accounts, to avoid any confusion. Now that you're on the Google Meet page, you'll notice a clean interface designed for ease of use. Look for the option that says enter a code or link. This is your gateway to joining the meeting. Clicking on this option will prompt a small pop-up where you can input the meeting code or the full link. This is typically provided by the meeting organizer, either in an email invitation or direct message. Carefully enter the code or paste the link, ensuring accuracy, as any typo can prevent you from joining successfully. Once you've submitted the meeting code, a new screen will appear. Here, you'll be offered a preview of your video and audio settings. It's a good time to make sure your microphone and camera are working properly. You'll see yourself on the screen if your camera is enabled, and you can test your microphone to ensure you're heard clearly by others. Adjust these settings as necessary to suit your environment and preferences. If everything looks good, you're ready for the next step. Near the bottom of this screen, you'll spot the Join button. This is your final step. Clicking Join will connect you to the meeting, where you'll appear alongside other participants in a grid view. Don't worry if it takes a moment. Depending on your internet speed, it may take a few seconds to fully join the meeting. And there you have it, you're now successfully connected to your Google Meet meeting. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip for smoother future meetings. Consider bookmarking the Google Meet page or saving the meeting link if it's a recurring event. This will save you time and effort, especially for frequent meetings. Also, always check your audio and video settings beforehand to avoid any last-minute troubleshooting. Thank you for watching and learning how to join a meeting with Google Meet in 2025. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel ready to connect with ease and efficiency. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tech tips and tutorials. Have a great meeting.